Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to backflush and maintain your group head on your La Marzocco machine. We have the Linea Mini. This process would also work on the GS3. The tools that you will need is going to be our blank or blind disc for backflushing, a flathead screwdriver, a pick, our replacement screen and gaskets, group head brush, and our cleaning detergent. Backflushing your machine is a process of putting pressure in the group head and using your soap, detergent to rinse and clean coffee oils and grounds. On a weekly basis, you can do a backflush with just water, and that's going to be enough to clean things out. And then every 6 to 8 weeks, it would be good to do the backflush with your detergent. First, we're going to pop our basket out. You'll see we're going to need to clean that, but we can pop our blank disc in for now. Just snaps right into place. We're going to do our backflush with the detergent. You can take a small scoop, just about a half tablespoon or half teaspoon, a very small amount. I like to add a little bit of water and break up the cleaning granules so it's just a soapy liquid. And then place this back, lock that into place. 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You can run that on-off cycle, 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off, up to 5 times. And after that, go ahead and dump the soapy water. You could run just some fresh water to make sure you get all of the soap out of there. We're going to want to clean the basket and group and the portafilter itself. And we'll also want to soak and clean our screen that is in the machine. So using our flathead screwdriver, we'll go ahead and remove that dispersion screw that holds the screen into place. As you can see, you have a screen and dispersion screw. These we can soak along with our basket, and we'll be soaking the portafilter head. You can take a small scoop of the detergent We're going to let everything soak for about 15 minutes, then we'll come back and finish cleaning. Using our brush, we can get in and scrub inside the portafilter and along any grooves that may have coffee oils and grounds. and scrub the bottom of the basket and along the grooves. The basket can go back into the portafilter. Snap that into place. You can clean the screen and make sure the dispersion screw is cleaned up and the holes on the screw itself. If you need to, you can, using a small pointed tool, just clean out any of the holes and make sure that the water can flow freely through that screw. I'll show you how to replace that screen that you would do after about 1 year of use, and we're also going to replace the gasket. So we're going to be replacing with a new group head gasket and screen. So we'll set our old screen aside, and using a pointed tool like a dentist pick or some other pointed object, you can hook the group gasket, it's up in the group, and pull it down and out. Over time, your rubber gasket will start to grow brittle and cracks can start to form on the gasket. After about a year is a good time to swap that out for a new gasket. So we have our new gasket and screen, and we're going to get these back up into place in the group head. Our screw, dispersion screw, will hold everything into place. I'm going to start with the gasket first. If you have moly coat, that can help make this a smoother process, and it will slide up into place very easily. The dispersion screw can be tightened just by hand, does not need to be in there very tight. And now you can place the portafilter back up into the group head. If your portafilter does not lock in smoothly, just ensure that you have the thinnest gasket. You can also pop the basket out and lock it in without a basket to help ensure that the gasket fits all the way up into place, and then you can replace that gasket and it should slide in smoothly. That's how to backflush and maintain the group head on your La Marzocco Linea Mini, or if you have the GS3, that is going to be the same process. For other tech tips, visit our website, clivecoffee.com.